Hello Adobe Express creators, want to spice up your design with some cool elements? Let me show you how to add them easily. Let's go! First, open the Adobe Express app and either start a new project or open your existing one. On the left toolbar, tap on Elements to access a variety of pre-designed shapes, icons, illustrations, and more. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find the perfect element for your design. Tap on the element you want and it will be added to your canvas. You can resize, rotate, or change the color of the element to fit your design style. Adding elements can help make your design stand out and give it more visual interest. If you are not finding the perfect element, try combining multiple elements to create something unique. What kind of element do you like to use in your designs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.